Good morning, everybody. It is a Monday. Cheers to a great week. Sean Antle here from OMNP, OMNP Photography. I just want to do a couple of updates. I put out a post. OMNP merch is launched. We have our trucker snapbacks. You can get black and charcoal with a genuine leather patch on it. They're $35 plus shipping. It basically is the cost of what it cost me to ship. Just got off the phone this morning with Nature Canada. Had an amazing talk with them about potential collaborations and partnerships down the road. Gallery show, Arctic Frontiers, Life at the Edge of a Changing World. It's coming to you soon. Our first show will be Lawrence House in Sarnia, Ontario. And we're kind of getting things pulled together for that. It's still a work in progress. And if you are or you know an artist out there that would be interested in partnering on an incredible show, send them my way. I'm looking to take the show from what it is and grow it. We've got bookings all the way into 2027 with the gallery show. So I'm hoping to evolve it. Also, Art Comp in London, largest art competition in the world. The prize pot is 200 grand, 100,000 from the judging panelists. And then where you come into play, People's Choice. People's Choice Awards for first, second, and third is 50, 30, and 20 grand. I'd love your vote. You can see my piece, Reflections by OMNP Photography, as one of the top 100 amazing pieces in there. I mean, some of the artistry and pieces that people have put together, incredible. I humbly appreciate and thank you for your vote. It is a one vote, so it's not one of those vote over and over and over again. It is a bit of a process to kind of sign up and vote, which I like because it ensures fairness. So be sure to head to that. If you don't know where it is and you want to vote for my piece or anyone else's piece, just fire me. Ooh, I almost lost my coffee there. Fire me a DM and we can help you get there. OMNP is heading to the Northwest Territories. It is Tara's 40th birthday this year. Her and Callie are going to be, well, I guess Callie's going to be competing in the dance competition, Highland dance competition in Yellowknife. And then they have a, what is it called? Midnight Fling. Midnight Fling, up there, you've got the midnight sun. So it really kind of, the sun never goes away. It just kind of dips along that horizon and away you go. But at midnight, they're going to go up and do the midnight fling together, so that's going to be fun. I've also partnered with a couple of organizations in Northwest Territories, so I'm excited about that. I will be leaving NWT and heading straight up to Churchill again for a couple of weeks to further and hopefully complete the filming for Arctic Frontiers, Life at the Edge of a Changing World documentary that I've been working on in partnership with Frameworks Media Inc. What else is happening? I'm not going to say who yet, but I've had some really good conversations with an organization, and it looks there's a good potential that OMNP is going to find its way to the Antarctica. So stay tuned for that. It's kind of in the works, and we'll see where that leads. Still talking about a talk show with Kojiko and my podcast. We have a name, the Viewfinder Sessions. Just waiting to secure a potential deal with a store that offers gear for photographers. I'll say that for right now. It's under wraps, but excuse me. We'll see how that goes as well. Once that's finalized, then I can start getting on filming and recording some sessions. And it's just there's a lot going on. I'm super excited. I'm super humbled. I'm grateful. It's been a rough few days, and I say that from kind of a facetious standpoint, but ever since Bill 5 got passed, which is a stomping on Indigenous rights. It is a unlawful act, to be quite frank, and it removes the Endangered Species Act, which, if you know me, you know I'm all about the environment. I'm all about conservational shooting, and the Ford government passing Bill 5 is an atrocity. So, look, folks, you can love me or hate me, but this platform is going to be used to be on the right side of history. And if that costs me followers, if that costs me views, likes, purchases, I'm perfectly okay with that. I am here. OMNP is here to stand for things that make sense. And that's all I'll say about that for right now. Following that up, I am looking for sponsors to sponsor, be a main title sponsor for the podcast, sponsors for each show. I'm looking for sponsors on huge national projects, such as Roots of the Mind, Unseen and Unspoken, A Journey Through the Shadows. I am having conversations with Volkswagen Canada on that last one. We'll see where that goes. But lots of projects. If you're interested in supporting this journey and supporting someone who frankly gives a crap about conservation, preservation, sexual assault survivors, mental health advocacy, I don't know if I said it already, but conservation, homelessness, addiction, these are all things that are very near and dear to my heart, and part of the proceeds of everything that I bring in goes towards supporting those different causes. So when you support me, you're supporting organizations and individuals as well. So buy that merch, buy that print, book me for a keynote speaking event. I love to talk. You all know that. And I have a story to tell, from sexual assault to stabbings to held at gunpoint to misdiagnosis to near-death experience to traveling to Africa and Europe and all over North America, working with homelessness, poverty, orphanages. It's just a fraction in service of my life story, along with photography and my other speaking engagements right now, the speaking tour that we're on for Arctic Frontiers, Life at the Edge of a Changing World. I'd be happy to come along and inspire, motivate, and share kind of my story and where I'm coming from and my experiences. So lots of ways you can support OMNP Photography. I look forward to partnering with you. And I ask that, it's cliche, but join the movement. Help me help make a difference. Help me tell stories through my lens. That's all I'm asking for. I need to put some food on the table and support the family. And we do that the best we can. But for now, just come along and let's do it together. Let's, as he said, be the change in the world that we need to see today. So that's my call out. That's my update. I hope everyone's excited, as excited as I am. And stay tuned on socials. Stay tuned on my website, www.omnursephotography.ca. You can find events there. You can find where we're going to be next. You can purchase products in the shop. The merch should be in there soon. On top of the hats, we've got wine glasses, stemless wine glasses. We've got these really nice, incredible, I'll call them whiskey glasses. You can use them for whatever you want. Right now, we just got the OMNP photography logo on it, but we're looking at doing some of my favorite, I guess you would say, images that I've taken. We also have coasters, slate coasters, real slate, laser engraved by Mr. Brad Webster of, I think it's Webster's Creations or Webster's Workshop. But yeah, we got some really exciting things coming, and I'm hoping that we can kick the second half. Hard to believe it's July. The second half of 2025 into high gear for OMNP, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for coming along. Stay in tune. Stay in touch. Get out there and shoot if you're a photographer. Tell your story. remove stigmas, and support OMNP. Thanks. Cheers.